Good morning. In the last class, we discussed about the half adder and we discussed about the sum and carry, and we discussed some expressions for carry and sum, and the two tables also discussed in the last class, and some quiz points about half adder we discussed. Now in this class we are going to discuss about half adder using NOR gates. Objectives: on completion of this period, you would be able to realize half adder using NOR gates. In the last class, we realized half adder with the help of AND gate and exclusive OR gate. We discussed half adder in the last class using AND gate and exclusive OR gate. Now we are going to discuss same half adder using NOR gates. Recap: what is a NOR gate? A NOR gate has two or more input signals but only one output signal. All input signals must be low to get a high output. This is about NOR gate. Truth table of NOR gate. That is, in this truth table, there are two inputs A and B, and Y equal to A plus B complement. That is NOR gate. NOR gate is complement to the OR gate. NOR gate is complement to the OR gate. NOR gate output is opposite to the OR gate output. Here, see truth table. For two inputs, the combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. There are four combinations for two inputs. It means 2 power 2. 2 power 2, 4 combinations. If there are 3 inputs, 3 input combinations for binary, that is 2 power 3 equal to, it becomes 8 combinations. Here, in this truth table, there are 2 inputs for binary. 2 power 2 is the 4 combinations we get. NOR operation can be represented with equation that equal to, that is y equal to a plus b whole bar. If it is OR operation, that is represented as y equal to a plus b. Hence, NOR gate is complement to the OR gate. Here, truth table of NOR gate. First combination, that is 0 0, output is 1. For 0 1, output is 0. For 1 0, output is 0. For 1 1, output is 1. We can notice one thing in the truth table, that is, if all inputs are 0, then only output becomes 1. That is the operation of NOR gate. We need to remember these. Now we discussed about the basic NOR gate and its operation. We discussed about the truth table of the NOR gate. Now, what is off adder? What is off adder? For that definition is a logic circuit that can add two bits is a half adder. The half adder adds two bits at input side. The outputs of half adder are sum and carry. The Boolean equation for these outputs are the Boolean equations for these output are sum equal to A exclusive or B read as A XOR B, carry equal to A dot B read as A and B, and means and operation. XOR means exclusive OR operation. Hence, two outputs are sum and carry. Sum equal to A exclusive or B, carry equal to A and B. Operation of half adder. In the last slide, we discussed what is half adder. We got that half adder is a logic circuit. It adds two bits and it has two outputs. Operation of half adder. Sum output is a 1 when A and B are different. Carry output is a 1 when A and B are same. The operation of half adder for different possible inputs are given in truth table. Half adder truth table. Two inputs A and B. Two inputs outputs carry and sum. Input combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. These are the combinations. For 0 0 combination of input, carry output is 0, sum output is 0. For 0 1 combination of inputs, carry output is 0, sum output is 1. For 1 0 combination of inputs, carry output is 0 and sum output is 1. For 1 1 combination of inputs, carry output is 1, sum output is 0. This is the truth table of half adder. Half adder using NOR gates. Now we are going to discuss about half adder but using NOR gates. Half adder using NOR gates, that is shown in figure. It means realization of half adder using NOR gates. Finally, sum should be exclusive OR operation and carry should be A and B operation we should get. Here in this figure, for sum output, there are five NOR gates. For sum output, 5 NOR gate. For carry output, 3 NOR gates. AB are the input. Here first NOR gate is output is X, and second one output is represented Y, third one output is Z, fourth one output is W, and final output is sum. We know NAND and NOR gates are NOR gates are called as a universal gates, because with the help of NOR gates and NAND gates, we can build any logic circuit. Here now in our topic, we are realizing half adder using NOR gate. NOR gate is universal gate. We can realize any circuit with the help of NOR gate. Here in this, we are looking for sum operation. AB is given here and its output is X, and again X input is given to the next two NOR gates, and one is coming from A, another one is X, and for above NOR gate output is Y, and for below NOR gate output is Z. And for next NOR gate, inputs are Y and Z. Output is W. For final NOR gate, output is sum and input is W. For this logic circuit, we can discuss here with equations. X is equal to what it becomes? A plus B. X is equal to A plus B. Y is equal to X plus A. Y equal to X plus A, where X is equal to again A plus B bracket plus A, that equal to A plus B into A that equal to A plus B into A. Here it is about actually discussion is it is equation is suitable for carry, but it is given as a sum. Okay, we see here again it is for sum. Actually it is given for carry. Instead of here it should be represented as a carry. It is a sum. That is a mistake in the slides. Actually you treat this as the carry, not sum, which we are seeing that the slide is a 10, in the slide a 10, that is carry, not sum. Y equal to AB. Y equal to AB is suitable for carry. Now here Z is equal to, first we see here diagram. Here AB is given to the NOR gate and output is X, and X is given to the next NOR gate A, B and given also, and next Y, Z are the outputs, W is the output, and same is the input for the next OR gate. This is the diagram, logic circuit. z is equal to x plus b, z is equal to a plus b bracket plus b, that is equal to a plus b into b, next a plus b into b, a dot b plus b dot b, that equal to z is equal to a dot b. Now w is equal to y plus z, sum is equal to y plus z. That equal to a dot b plus a dot b. For this sum equal to a dot b plus a dot b, a exclusive b. Their sum notations are missed here. You consider that a bar b plus a b bar notation is not there. That's why we are getting some little bit confusion here. Now that equal to a plus b into a dot b equal to a plus b into a plus b, that is equal to a dot a plus a dot b plus a dot b plus b dot b, that equal to a dot b plus a dot b is equal to a exclusive rb. Therefore sum equal to a exclusive rb. That here carry is shown here. If we apply here a and b inputs, that becomes a bar at upside and downside we get b bar, and again for that complement that becomes a dot b. The clear notation is here. If we apply inputs here a and b, at above side for upper NOR gate we get a bar and below we get b bar, and for next NOR gate a bar plus b bar complement we get a dot b. That is the meaning of that. Here about some, so we discussed about clearly about carry output. Right. In summary, we have discussed about realization of half adder using NOR gate. Now, quiz. In this, the minimum number of NOR gates required to construct half adder circuit is the minimum number of NOR gates required to construct a half adder circuit is how much? See here how many NOR gates are there. 3 and 5, 8. Answer is 8. Only one quiz question is there. It frequently asked questions. Construct half adder using NOR gates only and give the Boolean expressions for sum and carry output. Assignment. Assignment is not required here. So in this class today we discussed about the half adder using NOR gates, and we discussed clearly about the expressions and separate expression for carry and sum. We discussed the two table of the half adder, and before that we discussed the two table of the NOR gate also. So in the next class we discuss next topic.